Wait, is this video going to be seen? What if nobody cares? What if people click this video and leave after 5 seconds? Well, if you're still here, that means you already clicked. So let me tell you why Alpha Ant exists. Not that long ago, I weighed 130 pounds. And before that, in high school, I was barely over 100. In middle school, I weighed around 90 pounds. I wasn't the athletic kid. I wasn't the strong kid. I wasn't the guy turning heads at the beach. I was the skinny guy. The guy who got put in the middle back seat because he's the smallest. The guy who wore hoodies when everyone else wore tank tops. The guy who looked in the mirror wishing he could fill out a t-shirt. The guy who thought maybe he was just built that way. And if that's you right now, keep watching, because everything on this channel is for you. Over the last few years, I became obsessed with figuring this stuff out. How to build muscle, how to gain weight, how to stop looking skinny, how to actually get abs, how to build a body you're proud of. Not the fake fitness influencer version, the real version. The version where you start with almost nothing and slowly build yourself into somebody stronger. And it worked. I went from 90 pounds in middle school to barely over 100 in high school to 130 pounds, and now I'm pushing toward 180 pounds and still climbing. But here's the thing, I didn't get there because of good genetics. I didn't get there because of some secret supplement. I got there because I made every mistake possible first. I wasted years doing things wrong. And that's exactly why I created Alpha Ant, because I don't want you wasting those same years. Most fitness channels are made by people who were never skinny. They don't understand what it's like to eat everything and still stay small. They don't understand how frustrating it feels when your friends grow muscle and you don't. They don't understand what it's like to feel invisible. I do, because I lived it. That's why Alpha Ant isn't some superhero. He's an ant, small, underrated, overlooked, just like most skinny guys feel. But ants are also one of the strongest creatures on Earth for their size, and that's what this channel is about. Turning the skinny guy into the strong guy. One workout, one meal, one lesson at a time. On this channel, I'll show you everything that helped me transform my body. How to build muscle at home, how to gain weight properly, how to create a V-taper, how to get abs, how to avoid the mistakes that kept me skinny for years. No fake secrets, no fitness industry nonsense, just simple advice that actually works. And this is only the beginning. No big audience, no hundreds of thousands of subscribers, just me, pressing upload, trying to help the guy I used to be. So if you're skinny, if you're tired of staying stuck, and if you're ready to start becoming stronger, subscribe, because we're building this from day one. And trust me, the Alpha Ant is just getting started.